25 years ago, a small but determined group of Tibetans and Tibet supporters came together with one vision: to strengthen the Tibetan Freedom Movement by bringing together the power and determination of global Tibet groups to make our collective voice impossible to ignore. From that vision, the International Tibet Network was created, a powerful coalition dedicated to coordinated, strategic, and impactful action for Tibet. Over the last quarter century, we have grown from a handful of groups into a global coalition of over 140 member groups, united in one purpose and committed to one cause: freedom and justice for Tibet. Together, we've taken action across continents, developed bold campaigns, supported frontline activism, and built solidarity that transcends borders. We've worked to amplify Tibetan voices from Tibet with governments, communities, and institutions around the world. This 25-year milestone is more than an anniversary. It's a testament to the power of unity, a celebration of resilience, and a reminder that lasting change is possible when we stand together. As we look to the future, we remain unwavering in our mission. We will continue to grow our movement, amplify Tibetan voices, and advocate for the freedom and rights that the Tibetan people deserve. None of these victories could have been possible without the Tibet groups, individual supporters, and past and current teammates just like you. Together, we are stronger. Together, we will continue until a vision has been realized.